To me, the idea of live fire cooking is so raw, the energy. If you can master this, you go home in your kitchen with your nice little oven and saute pan, that's easy. If you want to learn how to cook, cook over an open fire. Quite literally, you're going to learn by trial by fire. Do you do much outdoor fire cooking?
I don't. I do appreciate camping, though, and so I cook outdoors then.
Are you gonna be cool to help me cook on here today?
As long as you tell me what to do, I'm good.
I heard you got some nice cuts of meat for me today.
Yeah, I do.
What do you got?
So we have some flat iron and some skirt steak,
Yeah.
short ribs.
Okay.
The flank should be really nice, especially on this smoky.
Yeah.
Some rib eyes.
Awesome.
One of my
That's a
favorites.
favorite. Best. What would you tell me about each cut of meat?
Pretty much all grass-fed beef. Like, if you overcook it, it's gonna get really tough really fast.
Because it's very lean.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That one, you can see how the fat is yellow.
Yeah.
That's from the carotene in the grass. And it's a lot smaller, so our animals are smaller so that we can finish them on grass in the 2 years.
Can I eat it raw?
Yeah, definitely.
I love tasting the flavor. It's really rich. All right, I think we're ready to cook.
Great.
I'm gonna make a little compound butter. Do you know what a compound butter is?
I don't.
So basically, it's sesame oil